I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover Walmart account. For that, first of all, open up your browser. After you open up browser, search walmart.com on your search bar. Now you'll land on Walmart's website. Then tap on the 3-bar menu icon which is on top left. Go to account or sign in. Select sign in. On your right hand side you'll see the option of forgot password. Tap on it. To receive a verification code, enter your email address. After you are done, tap on submit. You will now receive a verification code on your mail. Check your mail and enter the verification code. Then tap on submit code. Select create a new password and then tap on continue. Create a new password and be sure your password has 8 to 100 characters, upper and lowercase letters, at least one number or special character. After you have entered your password, tap on continue. To protect your account, add your phone number and then tap on confirm. If you do not want to add your phone number, tap on not now. After you tap on it, this way you can recover your account. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.